Justices, I'm appearing on behalf of, in different case numbers, on behalf of the President of the Republic of South Africa, the Director General in the Office of the Presidency, the Minister of Justice and Correctional Services, and also the State Attorney, as the court proceeds.
Okay.
I space the court on the matter of DA. I appear on behalf of the fifth respondent, and on the matter of EFF, I appear on behalf of the second respondent.
Okay.
I space the court.
Okay, thank you. I've got the judgment. It consists of about 45 pages. I'm not going to read all the judgment. We'll just read the order. It's a unanimous decision, and the parties will be furnished with a copy of the judgment. In the result, the following order is made. A, it is declared that the state is not liable for the legal costs incurred by Mr. Jacob Zuma in his personal capacity in criminal prosecutions instituted against him in any civil litigation related or incidental thereto, and for any other associated legal costs. B, the decisions taken by the Presidency and the State Attorney that the state would cover the legal costs of Mr. Zuma incurred in his personal capacity in the criminal prosecution instituted against him on about 20th June 2005, 28 December 2007, and 16 March 2018 are declared invalid and are reviewable and set aside. C, the decisions taken by the Presidency and the State Attorney that the state would cover the legal costs that Mr. Zuma incurred in his personal capacity in interlocutory and ancillary applications related to his criminal prosecution are reviewed and set aside. D, the State Attorney is directed forthwith to, Roman 1, compile a full and complete accounting of all the legal costs that were incurred by Mr. Zuma in his personal capacity in the criminal prosecution instituted against him, and all related or ancillary litigation, including all the applications referred to in this matter and which were paid for by the state. And Roman 2, to take all necessary steps, including the institution of civil proceedings, to recover the amounts paid by the state for Mr. Zuma's legal costs referred to in paragraph D1 above. E, the state is directed within 3 months of the date of this order to file a report under oath and supported by the full and complete accounting referred to in paragraph D1, detailing the steps that have been taken and that would be taken to recover the amounts paid by the state for Mr. Zuma's legal costs. F, in case 21405/18, the Democratic Alliance review application, the costs are to be paid by the fifth respondent, in bracket Mr. Zuma, including the cost of 3 counsel. G, in case 29984/18, the Economic Freedom Fighters review application, the costs are to be paid by the second respondent, Mr. Zuma, including the cost of 2 counsel. Hand down the judgment. Court adjourns.
Madam